You gon' bust it for the team or what? Let my ass bitch on scene for what? You gon' drop it to your knees or what? Make it clap, make it.
Hey dudes, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Danyelanyysa. I would love for you to subscribe, like this video, and turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. So today's video is gonna be a little mukbang. I'm gonna be eating a sausage biscuit. Nothing really fancy, with some water, and I'm going to be talking about like what is the best drugstore makeup to have in your collection, because like honestly these products I have are like a staple to have in your collection. I get very much compliments on these products, so I wanted to share what are some good starting makeup to have. And you know, it's good for just for school, it's good for like just a natural day of look, for errands, or you just want to be home and just be glammed up, who knows. But yeah, so today's video is gonna be all about makeup. So let me eat real quick. So for starting off, I'm gonna start off with primer. And this is like a really good cheap primer to start off with, and this is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. You've probably heard of this, everybody raves about this, and I like it. It's a good primer. As you can tell, I digged into it. I really like this as a great primer to start off with. It does the job for you. And for brows, I just recently got this, and it's the Morphe micro brow pencil, and I got it in the shade Mocha, but I think I need a darker shade. But this is $5. It's honestly a dupe for the Anastasia, and I think I'm not gonna go back to Anastasia products because I'm not gonna spend $20-something on an eyebrow pencil if this can do the job. And this is really creamy, it's really good, and it's just like Anastasia. It has, of course, the brow pencil and of course a spoolie. This is honestly really good, and it's only $5. Like guys, y'all need to go crop and go to your Ulta or order online, wherever they sell Morphe at. Go get it because it's so bomb. Like I honestly love it. I used my eyebrows today with it. It's the shades. I'm going like steps by steps how I do my makeup, so that's how I'm doing it. The all-time favorite drugstore concealers is the Adrian one, but I don't have that with me right now. But that's so bomb. I really love that. And this is my other one, my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish. Oh my god, I'm in love with this. Y'all need this. It's in shade Medium Peach. I recommend you getting this. I rather have this one than the matte version, because the matte version has the black top, but hydrating. Even though I'm like an oily girl, I love some hydrating stuff. It gives you coverage. It ain't no light coverage. It gives you coverage, and it'll last all day for you. So that's my favorite. Let me eat a bite. Okay, I have 3 different kinds of foundations. If you want to go with a more full coverage, if you're a full coverage girl, I recommend the Super Stay Full Coverage up to 24 hours foundation. This is very thick, and it gives you full coverage. This is a good one. This is very popular and real cheap too. I really like that one. I want like a full coverage drugstore foundation. I go towards that one. This next one is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I get good compliments on this one too. I'm the shade Medium Olive, and this is more like a, they're all like kind of like a matte finish, I'm guessing. I don't know if these two are matte. This is a matte finish. It's very thin. It's buildable if you want to get to full coverage, but it's medium to full coverage. It says full coverage, but it's not really full coverage. You gotta build it up. Don't mind my bottle's all dirty, but that's what it looks like. I always talk about this one in my videos when I do beauty videos, and I really like this one. And it's up to 24 hours, you know, and it's the bomb. Lastly, foundation, I just recently picked this up. It's a Catrice HD Liquid Full Coverage. No, this is the HD Liquid Coverage Foundation of lasts up to 24 hours. It's mattifying, it's water and sweat proof. It's like second skin finish. And I honestly recently just tried this. I haven't done a video on this, but honestly love it. On sale Ulta for $5. It was regular $10.99, but I got it for $5. So I caught myself 2 for the price of 1. And you feel me? It's a lightweight and non-oily texture that feels like second skin, provides a long-lasting full coverage, period, without mass effect, and it creates an even complexion. We need that in our life. With high definition finish for camera ready skin, but you can build this up, and it's like liquidy. Y'all can see that. This one's good. I will keep trying it, but like this is really good when I first tried it, and it's mattifying in water and sweat proof. If you see on Ulta, check it out. Next is powder. I honestly, let me put y'all on. If you haven't tried this, this is the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Oh my god, this is so good. This is one of the best drugstore powders out there. And I'm in the shade light medium. I think it's a very smooth finish. Oh my god, it has a tint, so you go pick your color. I use 2 of them. I use medium for just my base, and I use light medium for like the brightening effect on my face. And it's only $5 too, I'm believing. All these makeup are so cheap. Like, it's really cheap. Next is blush. Oh my god, I need to like I need to branch out to other new blushes, because this is my ride or die blush I go to, and this is the Wet n Wild Color Icon. You've probably heard me talk about this millions of times, and I use the shade Maybelline, and it's so beautiful. Like, look at that, almost hitting pan. This is a really good blush. This is like what, $2 something, $3. Go rock, guys. This is so good. It's so pretty. It just leaves the skin blushy, you know? And it's cruelty free. All of them, if you see Maybelline, because they're that bomb. Next, the next thing I have is bronzer. This is a drugstore bronzer. This is a natural bronzer from London. It's a waterproof bronzing powder, and it's just something, you know, a little bronzer. This one, for the Physicians Formula, this one's a little expensive, but if you want to spend a little bit more, this one's a really great product. It smells like and I'm in the deep bronze, and if you want something more light and subtle, I will go for the Rimmel, and I'm in this shade Sunlight, and it's so cool. There's one that has shimmer in it, and there's some that doesn't. It's all what you prefer, but those 2 are really good. This highlighter, I really love this highlighter. It's by Milani. This is the shade Sun Glow, and I really like this highlighter because you can intense it. You want to make it like blinding, and you can also make it subtle. This is what I like about this one, because it's like good for every girl. If you want a very subtle look, or you want a very blinding look, that highlighter can do that for you. Period. Next is this Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. Once again, I had the Anastasia one, and I ran out. And I wanted to find a dupe. While I was looking at Ulta, I saw Essence had one for $2.99 or $2.98. So this one, and I actually have this one in my brow. Well, you can't tell, but like, it actually gets the job done. It puts them in place. I really like it. So this is my all-time favorite brow gel. Mascara. Any mascara will do. This is the one I just have recently. This is a Laura Paris Lash Paradise one. Oh yes, the Better Than Sex mascara. It has those kind of bristles, and you know, it gets the job done. It gives you volume, not that much length, but like it's whatever you prefer. Next is I guess the eyelash goes. This is like the one I use if you wear like eyelashes. This is a duo one. This is the brush on. I prefer the brush on than the squeezy tube, because the squeezy tube will make a mess, and this one you just, and then done. And for lashes, I recommend Kiss, the chiffon ones, Salon Perfect, 613s, Ardell, Demi Wispies. Pretty much those are like my go-to eyelashes. And I don't have any right now because like I don't have any, so I couldn't show y'all what they actually look like. But I'll totally link them down for y'all at the in the description, so don't forget to look in the description so y'all can see all these products. And for setting spray, I really enjoy this Wet n Wild natural finish one. This one's so bomb. Or you can use the Wet n Wild I don't know what they're called. I forgot it's called. I used to have it. It was a coconut spray. They had the cucumber and rose. That one's bomb too. Like it's like a refresher. But I like using that as my makeup setting spray. Ooh, I think that's all makeup. Dang, that sausage biscuit just really like soaks up all my saliva. Like makes my mouth so dry. Oh my god. But guys, yeah, I hope you like these products. I will link them down below. I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for liking, commenting, because that means the world to me. Just seeing how much y'all take y'all's time out of the day to respond to me or just like a video. That means so much to me. So I really appreciate that. And I want to get back for making videos for y'all. So I want to say don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification to be notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to watch any of my recent videos. Watch a playlist maybe. I have a Dollar Tree haul. I have a hygiene haul. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!